Hi, so in October I had already hit my project plan target of 125 beauty products in 2025. So anything from November and December is merely an extra. Next year I plan to do 126 beauty products in 2026. So what have I emptied this month? The first thing, believe it or not, Fenty Beauty Naturally Luminous Soft Lit Long Wear Foundation. Calm down, I only tried out the samples. Every single one of them got swatched. Some of them lasted 2 uses on my face. So finally, I decided that I was either 265 or 290, both of which were very, very similar. No, you can't see the empty pods, the empty capsules. Foil packaging, it's all gone empty and quite a disgusting mess, really. So because I like to err on the side of caution, I bought 290 in the soft matte foundation ages ago, not now, back in the day. So this is a soft lit one. Will I be repurchasing? No, I prefer soft matte, the finish, to the soft lit foundation. I have soft matte. 290, it does, appear to be a little deeper on some days than on other days, but I'm not going in for 265. I already have soft matte, and I like the finish of soft matte better than soft lit, so I won't be repurchasing for that reason. Next, cleanser, CeraVe foaming cleanser. Absolutely love Holy Grail, really. While I will be trying other cleansers and using them and buying other cleansers, this is the staple, the sort of go-to all the time. Very gentle on the skin, not harsh foam at all. I used to be very afraid of foam. I no longer am. So will I be repurchasing? I'm getting 2 for Black Friday. That should last me for 2026. Sorry, 2026. New Year coming up. I thought this year just started. Now you're telling me that New Year is coming. Anyway, so that's a CeraVe out of the way. So let's do serums. The first product, Revolution 15% niacinamide. Hopeless, did nothing, felt like jelly water, jelly, a pot of water. That's it. Nothing, did nothing, made no difference. I could feel nothing. Absolutely nothing. When Revolution Skincare launched, I stupidly thought, all right, they're going to make everything cheaper. This was, back when everything was so expensive in the skincare world. And I thought it might be good for my finances if I could, shift to something like this and save a lot of money. Unfortunately, the plan backfired. I did buy quite a few products and have been struggling to use them up ever since. You'll see more of this in 2026. And thankfully, no repurchases or backups or anything, just one of each to try. So that was a complete waste. I actually did a whole video reviewing the entire range and saying all sorts of things. And the video just disappeared from the raw footage just disappeared from my camera. Maybe I filmed over it or something, or accidentally deleted it. I don't know, the whole thing's gone. There must have been at least 2 or 3 files of raw footage, and I'm completely missing now. Anyway, moral of story, don't buy Revolution Skincare. This one worked better. My Shell Clear Skin Serum. Remember back in the day when Cult Beauty had all these exciting indie brands? That was before they were bought by the Hut Group. Yeah, they had all these really nice little brands. I bought this back then, and this is for oil control. I didn't notice much by way of oil control, but it was a fun serum to use in the sense that, it was quite nice it felt good on the skin. The texture was very, very soft and easily absorbed and everything. So I liked this. Will I repurchase? No, I don't think it did anything. The purpose is oily skin control of oil. It didn't control any sebum. I have weird skin. I have some sebum in the T-zone, and I have flaking all over after the vaccine. My skin went bonkers. Under eye product, oh my god. Philosophy Miracle Worker, miraculous retinoid eye repair. Complete load of bleep, I call it. My beloved Sana soy milk eye cream costs a fraction of this, around 11 quid or so on Yes Time. Without counting any points or codes or anything. You get 20 mils of that for that price. This is only 15 mils, and it works a treat. The next day you wake up feeling and looking much better, well rested and everything, nice, brighter eyes and bright under eye area. Definitely, you see a difference. I love that product so much. I have backups. You know what? I'm going to do a video on my favorite skincare ingredients. eventually. Let the holiday season pass, yeah? So this, absolute nonsense. This product is part of the reason why I shifted almost completely to Korean skincare. Bath and Body, 2 products. I have Pink Suede and Golden Berry Mistletoe. Yeah, as you can see, all gone. I liked Golden Berry Mistletoe better. Anyway, Pink Suede is blush berries, velvet peonies, and soft cotton. I would just call it floral, mild floral pleasant. This one, sparkling berries, frosted air, I know, and sugared spruce. This smells much better even now. Nice. So will I repurchase? Not these, others from Bath & Body Works. I can't wait for their semi-annual sale. So fewer beauty products this month because, nothing has been near emptying. It's when, a lot of products are nearing the end that you have a lot of empties. Anyway, those are all the products that I used up in November. What have you used up this month? Were you project planning? Did you hit a target? Did you shop your stash? Did you put a dent in your stash as I have done? Please do tell me in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.